Mexico, we have these incredible skies, this wonderful light. But it's more than just that. It's connecting with the land, the animals, the people, and the culture. It's these feelings that I take into my senses and that I can then transform it into the colors and the shapes. Curiosity is what fuels my imagination. I grew up in a family of artists and scientists, and it always felt natural to experience both of these. I would look through my father's microscope in his lab, and then I would paint what I saw. When I was about 6, I began to try and comprehend eternity. My mind hadn't quite developed abstract reasoning, so I think it was in this moment that my synesthesia was born. It was this struggle to try and understand this concept that I couldn't quite fathom that changed the way my senses perceived things. Music had colors, colors had shapes, sounds had numbers and words, and all of these sensations became mixed in my perception of how I viewed the world. The best gift is when a viewer gets it, when they understand what these blended senses are, the numbers sound like, the music looks like, that they enter into this journey with me and they become part of this abstract painting.